Now that we've reviewed the staff, we're going to go over the scale on the staff. So we have almost all the notes that we have in the entire scale we've already talked about. So we know pretty much all of them. We're going to put the last two on as we go, and most of you should not have a hard time fitting in the places that the two notes go because we've had to leave that space open for so long. I'm going to start our example and put do on space 1. So there's do. Maybe. Oof, that's bad. I gotta redo that. Gotta redo the O. Do. We know re goes right after do, so re's gonna be on the line. We know mi goes right after re. We've been skipping this line, so we'll leave it blank for now. So goes on the space above mi. La is right next to so on the line. We've been skipping this area. We're going to keep it skipped for now. And then we have our high do. Oh my goodness. This pen does not like me, but I'm also trying to do this on my laptop mouse. Do. And sometimes we put an apostrophe or we might write H do. So we know it's the high do. So I'm going to pick a different color. I'm going to pick rose gold because I love rose gold. To add in fa between mi and so, and then ti between la and high do. Now fa and ti are a smaller distance apart when we sing the scale than all of the other ones are. The other ones are evenly spaced. They're a step. Fa to so, or sorry, mi to fa and la to ti are half steps, so it's smaller. I'm going to sing it, and I want to see if you can figure it out. I'm going to sing it once and listen, then I'll sing it again and sing it with me and see if you can hear and feel how different that is. So from do to re to mi is a step, but from mi to fa is a half step. So it's half as far away from mi as re is from mi. So listen carefully, and then I'm going to do it again and sing along with me. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Try it with me. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And backwards, it sounds like this. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. When we do our hand symbols for the scale, fa points down like this. Mi, fa points down to mi because that's what it's close to. There's a half step there. And ti points up to do because that's where the half step is, and I think I told you the wrong thing before, but ti to do is where the half step is. Let's write it and make it clear that that's where it is so that even if I told you the wrong thing before, there's no confusion. So here is the half step, and here is the half step. If I said the wrong thing before, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. We have do, re, mi, half step to fa, sol, la, ti, half step to do. And that's why ti points up to do and fa points down to mi, because that's what it is closest to. One more thing I want to review with you is low so and low la. That's something that we learned a while ago, but we're going to go over it. I'm going to pick this copper gold color for our pen. When we have a scale, basically it's 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But 8 is really also 1 because we can have another scale that goes up higher, and this do could also be a high do that has another scale that's lower. The interesting thing about the scale is it takes turns. So not only does space, line, space, line, space, line, but the so that came before this one was on a line, and so is the so that comes after this one. They take turns. Now from here we can see that we go do, ti, la to find low la, so we go down 1, 2, 3. So if we're on the space here, to find low so, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry, low la. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. Oh no. Okay. Okay, it's fine. And we're going to have low la be on the space underneath the staff. Now la, so is 1 below la. So is going to be on the ledger line below the staff. Oh, there we go. So we have low so and low la. Ledger line, space line under the staff, or space under the staff. Then if we had a T, it would go right here, T, and then we would have our do. Do, la, so, do, la, do, so, do, la, so, do.